infinity arching, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Excuse me,
Yes,
what's your name?
my name is Redan Hossain.
Vedan Hassan, I would like to know Bill Gates. Would you please inform me something about him?
Okay, thanks for asking.
Welcome.
Actually, I think the whole world is full of people, but all are not equal. There are some who think of the welfare of mankind. Their contribution to the society is unforgettable.
Yeah, right.
So, their name are written in golden words. So the countrymen will respect him for them. Among them, Bill Gates is one. He is the one of the most richest men in the whole world.
I think, Mr. Midul, some achieve greatness, and you are talking, Mr. Bill Gates is one of them, right?
Yes, he
Okay,
is
please
one of them.
go on. Tell.
He was complete his university from Harvard in America.
I mean, he was the students of Harvard
Yeah.
University.
He was the
Right.
students of Harvard University.
Well.
After that, he was the founder of Microsoft company, which is most important
Yeah.
for modern science, and we cannot go for a moment without his Microsoft.
I mean, great contribution.
Yes.
Yeah.
I had heard his one topic in television. I was heard that he was failing his all subject, but his one friend was passed on in his all subject. But now Bill Gates is the owner of his company and his friend job in his company,
Yeah, right.
and it was happened for his hard work.
Hardworking.
And from this we can know that without working hard, no man can shine in life. And
Fine.
it is a great point for us and all the people of the whole world. And thanks for
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Midul, for we have learned very important information from you about Mr. Bill Gates.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we should follow him. If we
Yeah.
follow him, we must change our luck,
Yeah.
right? So much for joining us.
Yes, sir.
Okay, goodbye.